Alright, so this is my enhancement number 2, and this is PHP, my admin, pulled up over here. And over here I have all my SQLs in my text document. So I will go ahead and demonstrate how all of these work in my SQLs. And first we're going to, in my admin. First we're going to go to the clients and we're going to update it. We'll paste this in here and we'll hit go. And one row is inserted, and that is the row that we just entered. If you can see now, we have entered the client Tony Stark and all of his information. So for SQL number 2, it wants us to update the client, and it wants us to go back to the SQL and paste this in and update the client level to 3. So we'll hit go. And to show what that has done, we'll go ahead and pull this back up and select everything. And we now see that client level 3 is, the client level is 3. For SQL number 3, it wants us to update the inventory and change nylon rope to climbing rope. So go over here to inventory, we'll click on SQL and paste this whole SQL statement right here, hit go, and one row is affected. We can pull that up now, and this selects everything, the star from inventory, and will show us the whole data table. So if we scroll down, it now should say climbing rope, and this over here should be left as nylon. SQL number 4 wants us to interjoin two lists from inventory and then from categories. So we're going to go over here and interjoin those, and it says that 7 total rows were selected, and that is correct. And then from inventories, we want to delete the row that says, I don't know how to pronounce that, X or CCX car. So we hit go, and then it makes sure you really want to delete it, and then it works. So when we go back to run the whole inventory table, we will no longer see in there this car that we deleted. And so that is all of my SQLs. And so we'll go over here and we will run this connection from local beans. And when the connection is broken, we'll go ahead and run this. And the error page pops up, and it looks just like and functions just like my website, but with an error page, so that connection does work. And again, if the connection's not broken, then there should be no error page, and it should just be blank. So that is all of my enhancement 2.